Welcome back, rolling in hot. We got a PD call, Far Court. I'm not sure if this is a wreck or what it is, but we're gonna find out here shortly. Hope everybody's doing well. Y'all stay tuned. What's going on, man? You're back on it again, huh? The Tahoe, that white Tahoe, and okay. We got it. Almost went down on that one. Chris. One thing you can't do around a big city is leave your broke down car, flat tire, broke down, whatever, vehicle sitting on the road. You're allowed to park on certain areas on the road, but you're not allowed to park broke down cars and leave them abandoned on the road, or they get towed. Just let everybody know. That's the way it works, man, in Atlanta. They're not gonna have it. It ain't gonna happen. Anyway, y'all stay tuned. We're riding back to the yard, man. You could set it right here. You set it right here too.
Well, I could, but
he can't get to the back. Yeah. Can't get to the rear if he did that. So.
I'm gonna see what he got over there.
Got a flat tire and got some kind of fake. That's a fake tag, man. It don't even have the gold seal. That's what happens when you have fake tags. End up getting towed. Got to get some video of this car. Yeah, I've got another driver in a flatbed. I'm pulling this one just off the ramp where he can load it, and
okay.
I'll let him sign them out, and I'm gonna get these rest of these. I'll just put them over here.
No, she wants them gone.
All of them?
She wants them gone.
Okay.
Because we're not gonna pay for that. They're gonna have to pay. She wants them gone.
Okay.
Yeah. So
okay.
they have like 3 days to move, and then
that's fine. That's fine. I'll go ahead and we'll get them out of here.
Okay.
That's got dent, busted front end, wrecked. California plate. California. Brake is. Let's hope the brake's off. If the brake's not off, I'll have to dolly it. Anyway, we just yanked another one. We pulled, I pulled 3 out of here. Chris has got one loaded, but I've took one to the yard, got one on the back, so we've yanked 3. And I'm fixing to roll to the yard with this one. Anyway, we're rolling in on one, man. We got a auto shop call one in. Evidently it's blocking a bay or it's blocking something. They want it gone, so we're gonna get it.
What's up,
What's going on, man? That was it there?
Yeah, you believe that shit?
Yeah, I believe it, man.
I mean,
I believe it.
Why me?
I know. You got to run a shop. I'm gonna pull around and grab it.
Yeah,
I'll go get it loaded. I know.
Appreciate you.
I know. You got it. Thank you, sir. We appreciate you. What's going on? Huh?
You know which one it is, right?
Yeah, it's that one there. Yeah. I'm gonna pull around through Wendy's.
Okay.
I can't back up, so, and he's in the way. I'll pull through and grab it.
I gotta ask, you know what I gotta ask?
Yeah.
Your videos, right?
Yeah.
I love them, dude.
Thanks,
Fucking
man.
love them, man. I watch them constantly, dude. I saw you walk. I was like,
You're gonna be on the video.
I was like,
Yeah.
I noticed
Yeah. We're gonna clear his parking lot for him, get that car out and out in front of the bay. I think it was a wreck. Somebody just wrecked and left the car. Who knows? I mean, it could be a stolen car too. There's no telling. They don't know whose it is or none of that. So we're gonna yank it. Yeah, they wrecked that thing bad. Wow, look at that. Telephone pole or something. Anyway, we got the parking lot cleared. The shop bay door is no longer blocked, and shop owner's happy. But evidently, this person hit one of these mini telephone poles that are on Piedmont, and I guess they pulled off. It was probably a single car crash is what it looked like. But they left the car. They were probably, they might have been drinking. Who knows? Either way, the car showed up at that shop and it got towed. Anyway, y'all stay tuned. We got more coming.